Hi, my name's Tony Fenech with the Barletta sales team, and I'm here today to show you the L25UC floor plan. We're going to start up here. So we have really nice long chase lounges. You can fit 4, maybe 5 people depending on the size, if there's kids, very comfortably. If you do lounge, you can fit somebody in front of you as well. We've had, you know, 6 2-foot people here, and it's very comfortable. Along with that, it comes with fold down armrests, well placed, and like I said, just very comfortable. So as we move to the back here, to the middle of the boat, I'm going to start with the Helm. It's a standard raised helm on our L-Class. Fantastic. It lets you look over this chase lounge, so you're not asking people to move. Another standard with the L-Class in all of Barletta boats is our doggy dish. Very doggy friendly, easy to use, easy to clean up. So then with the UC floor plan, it comes with the co-captain's chair. Co-captain's chair is great because it keeps the driver and the passenger, if it's just you two, in the same conversation. You don't have to turn around to talk to each other. It's right here. Very nice. We also offer a phone holder now with the co-captain's chair, as well as a phone charger. So everything, you know, the captain has, your co-captain's got it too. So here on the UC, we've got our Ultra Lounge. This is really, I mean, the Ultra Lounge put Barletta on the map. It's a fantastic floor plan, fantastic seat arrangement. You almost get 5-in-1 seat arrangements in one floor plan. So I'm going to show you that right here. So we'll start with, you can have a full lounge back. You can fit 3 adults easily on this. Kids, you know, you can have possibly 4 to 5 on this lounge. You can flip this bench up, and now you've got a forward-facing seat as well as a rear-facing lounge. So you can have 3 up front, 3 in back. So this fits 6 very comfortably. Depending on the size, you know, you can fit more people on this lounge. Next arrangement, we pop these up. We now have a forward-facing seat as well as a rear-facing seat. This is awesome because if you're in the back of the boat, people are hanging out at the back of the boat, you can sit here, easily be part of the conversation in the water, as well as turn around and be part of the boat. So our next position, this one's really cool. You lift this up, the headrest lays down, and now you have a full day bed. Kids love this, adults love this. It's just a fun seat. Lastly, we pop these back rests up. You have now a front-facing lounge. This is important to us because a lot of people, when they're on motion in their boat, they don't like to be facing the back while they're in motion. Some people get sick. So this has you facing forward, as well as you're engaged in the whole boat conversation. We really don't like when floor plans separate people. We want everybody to be together, and the UC really